So I was just curious, and I was looking for keyboard shortcuts that will help me edit faster in my color grading process. And this is what I saw. There's nothing. There's nothing there. So let's just create our own. Let's create some custom keyboard shortcut for these tools. Okay, this one really depends on your workflow and which tool you like using the most, but with Final Cut Pro's native tools, I like to use the color wheels adjustment when I work on my exposure and white balance, the color curves adjustment for contrast, and maybe when I add the grade or the look at the end. And I also like to use the hue saturation curves adjustment for color contrast. I don't like to use the color board for some reasons, so I'm not going to create a keyboard shortcut for that one. So let's go to Final Cut Pro, Command, and Customize. You want to go under Command, and the cool thing is because this list of command is alphabetical, you can already see the actions we want to customize right here. Here's what I want to do. I want to use the key W for color wheels, C for curves, and H for hue saturation. But of course, I will use the modifier keys like Command, Shift, Option, or Control, because I know W, C, and H are all used for something else already. Let's just click on one of them. Let's say Add Color Wheels Effect, and then click on W. Let's see under Key Detail on the right here, what's available. Okay, Shift W is available. That should be easy, but I also want to see what's available for C and H. And if possible, I want the modifiers to be the same so that it will be easier for me to remember. So let's click on C. Okay, Shift Command is open. What about H? Shift Command is also open. I think we found our modifiers, guys. The only thing is, H is on the very far right, so it's gonna be hard to reach with Shift Command and then H. So what about S for saturation? So instead of H for hue, S for saturation. Click on S, and there you go, guys. A Shift Command is also open. So while Add Color Wheels Effect is still active, all you have to do is to click on W first and just type Shift Command W. Now, if you're working on the default keyboard shortcut setting, just make a copy and name it. You won't need to do that if you're already working on your own customized keyboard shortcuts. And then repeat the same action that we just did for the Curves Adjustment tool. Click on Add Color Curves Effect and type Shift Command C. The same for the hue saturation. Click on Add Color Hue Saturation Effect and type Shift Command S. Now W, S, and C are all on the same side of the keyboard. It's on the left side, so it's closer to Shift Command. So that's really cool. Now the next step is very simple. Just save your changes right here. And that's it. I hope you guys were able to follow my thought process. And if you guys got any value from this one, subscribe and check out these other videos for Final Cut Pro users. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.